Yo, what's up guys? It's LOL Gamer Crafter, and today I'm back with another video. And before the video starts, I need you guys to subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss another video. And after you watch the video, make sure to like. But now, without further ado, it's time for... Yo, what's up guys? It's LOL Gamer Crafter, and today I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Now, this is part 3, and we're going to be learning how to solve this bottom face and make it completely yellow. And we're not going to be worrying about this small band that's going around the top. Now, if you guys haven't watched parts 1 and 2, I suggest that you go do that, because otherwise you won't know how to do this part, making this. But if you guys already know how to do that, welcome to the video. Now, let's get started without further ado. So, what we have to understand is that the first step that we have to do is make a yellow cross, just like the starting when we made a white cross on the top. Now, the way to do that is to orient these yellow edge pieces along this. Now, you have 4 possible ways that after you've solved these edge pieces, it can end up as these following ways. So, nothing, we call this the yellow dot because it has nothing around it. These corners don't matter. We're not going to worry about these corners. We're only focusing on the edge pieces. The first possibility is nothing. The second possibility is a hook. And again, these corners don't matter. We call this the hook because it looks like a hook. And the way you know it's a hook is it's 2 yellow pieces which are diagonal to each other and attached in a right angle to the middle piece. The second possibility that you can have is the yellow line, which means that the yellow pieces are directly across each other. And then the final possibility is this one, which is the yellow cross already solved for you. Again, these corners do not matter. So this cross is the one that's already solved for you. And if you get this, you would be very lucky, because that's what you want at the end of it. Now, I'm going to teach you guys how to start from scratch, like literally nothing. Here, wait, let me just get that real quick. And then like this. Okay, now we have nothing around the yellow center. So the algorithm for this is that you can start from any of the sides. You can start from blue, orange, red, or green. Let's start with green, I don't care. So the algorithm goes as follows. So front right, or clockwise, then right up, top left, right down, top right, and then front back to normal, which would be front counterclockwise. Now, as you can see, this has created the hook for us, which is good because that's one step closer. Now, from this we get to go to the yellow line. And the way that we're going to do that is by doing the same algorithm from a different orientation. This time, the orientation does matter. Now, the hook, it needs to be held like this. So you have a sort of backwards L. Okay? Now, so that's why you have to hold it as a backwards L. And then you do the same algorithm. Front right, right up, top left, right down, top right, and then front left. Okay? That makes the yellow line. Now, the orientation for this one also does matter. Now, you have to hold the line horizontally, and then you do the exact same algorithm. Bam, 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 bam. And as you can see, guys, we have the yellow cross now, which is good. So you've accomplished the first part of making this yellow thing. Now, there are a lot of possibilities for what the corners are going to end up now, because we're focusing on the corners now since the yellow thing is done. From this specific one, I will do a tutorial on all the other possibilities, and we'll get to that. But from this possibility, there's the same algorithm for all of them, by the way. And what you do is you hold it like this. I call this prey, because prey animal have their eyes on this side of their heads. So I call this the prey position. So the algorithm that you do is you hold it like this so that it's facing you. Then you do right up, top left, right down, top left, right up, top twice, and then right down. Then you should get this position. And then the way you handle this is you put it like this, right? Okay, so these two yellow things are pointing toward you. These ones are pointing to the sides. And then you do the same algorithm. Right, top, right, top twice, and then that. And then, oh, sorry, guys, I screwed up. I'm terribly sorry. You hold it with the lights away from you. I mean, these yellow dots away from you. And then you do that algorithm, and then you should come to this fish. This fish is what you want to arrive at. And if this is a position where if you're holding the fish pointing diagonally bottom, and then you have a yellow dot here, that's good. That's save you less work. And the algorithm to fix this is the same thing. But now, if you guys had the fish, but it was backwards. Now, I'm sorry I'm twisting corners. I just have to show you guys. And instead, if you're holding like this, the yellow is on this side. That could be a problem. Now, the same thing you have to do is just same algorithm. Right, top twice, and right down. Final step. It comes to this fish again. But then this time the fish has the orientation correctly as we had before. So right, top twice. And then right down. Now you have solved the yellow face. I hope you guys found the video useful. I'm sorry I flubbed in the middle. I guess I have a lot of work memorizing them too. So make sure to practice. I'm sure that I'm going to go practice. I haven't done a competition in a long time, so I think I've gotten rusty. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button. And if you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. It's been LOL Gamercrafter, and I'm out. I'll see you later, guys. That's all for today, folks. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful to solve the Rubik's Cube, like and comment down below. If you already knew how to solve the Rubik's Cube, comment down your fastest time, and there will be another video coming out on a part 2 of how to solve the rest of it. Now, make sure that you guys keep practicing, otherwise you won't be able to remember it. Good luck, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching.